Hello, future entrepreneurs. Listen up because 2024 is your year. It's your year to stop making excuses, to stop dreaming, and to start building. The internet has changed the game. You no longer need a brick and mortar store to launch a successful business. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and hustle. We're talking about online businesses, baby. These businesses are exploding right now because they're built for the digital age, low overhead, global reach, and the potential for massive scalability.
We're starting with a bang scalable tech startups. Look, the tech world is all about solving problems with innovative solutions. Find a problem, build a tech solution, and boom, you've got yourself a business. And the best part? Scalability. With the right tech and the right team, your startup can explode from serving a handful of users to millions practically overnight. Think big, think bold, think tech. Now I know what you're thinking. Gary, I'm not a tech genius. And you know what? That's okay. You don't have to be a coding wizard to build a tech startup. You can partner with developers, learn the basics yourself, or even leverage no-code tools to bring your vision to life. The key is to focus on the problem you're solving and the value you're providing. Remember, some of the biggest tech giants today started small in dorm rooms, garages, with nothing but an idea and a whole lot of hustle. So don't let anything hold you back. Embrace the power of technology and get ready to scale.
Next up, we're diving into the world of e-commerce, but with a twist. Forget about competing with the big dogs on generic products. Instead, go niche. Find a passionate community of people obsessed with something specific. Vintage video games, handcrafted jewelry, sustainable pet products, you name it. Become the go-to destination for that niche. And you'll be amazed at the loyal customer base you can build. E-commerce is all about personalization. Offer unique products, exceptional customer service, and build a brand that resonates with your target audience. Use high-quality photos, engaging product descriptions, and leverage social media to connect with your customers on a personal level. Remember, people buy from people even online. The beauty of niche e-commerce is that you're not just selling products, you're selling a lifestyle, a passion, a community. Tap into that emotional connection, and you'll build a brand that's more than just transactions. It's about creating a movement.
Let's talk about recurring revenue, baby. Subscription services are a goldmine for online entrepreneurs because they provide predictable income month after month. Think about it. Instead of constantly chasing new customers, you're building a loyal base of subscribers who pay you consistently for access to your products or services. That's financial stability. The key to a successful subscription service is providing undeniable value. Whether it's a monthly box of curated goodies, access to exclusive content, or a software solution that makes life easier, your subscribers need to feel like they're getting more than their money's worth. Don't be afraid to get creative with your subscription. Offer different tiers, personalize the experience, and constantly gather feedback from your subscribers to improve your offerings. Remember, a happy subscriber is a long-term subscriber.
Look, sustainability is more than just a buzzword, it's a movement. Consumers are becoming increasingly conscious of their environmental impact, and they're actively seeking out eco-friendly products. This is where your online store comes in. By curating and selling sustainable, ethically sourced products, you're not just making a profit, you're making a difference. Focus on transparency and authenticity. Clearly communicate your commitment to sustainability, highlight the eco-friendly features of your products, and partner with suppliers who share your values. Consumers are savvy. They can spot greenwashing a mile away. Be genuine, be passionate, and let your commitment to the planet shine through. Remember, building an eco-friendly business is not just about selling products. It's about building a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about making a positive impact. Embrace the power of storytelling, share your journey, and inspire others to join the movement.
We live in a world where instant gratification is the norm. Customers expect quick, helpful responses to their inquiries, and that's where AI-powered customer service comes in. By integrating chatbots and automated messaging systems into your website and social media platforms, you can provide 24/7 support and enhance the customer experience. Now I know what you're thinking. Gary, bots can't replace human interaction. And you know what? You're right. The key is to use AI strategically. Automate simple tasks like answering frequently asked questions, providing order updates, and directing customers to the right resources. This frees up your human team to handle more complex issues and build deeper relationships. AI-powered customer service is all about efficiency and personalization. By analyzing customer data and interactions, you can tailor responses, anticipate needs, and provide a seamless experience that keeps customers coming back for more. Social media is no longer just about posting selfies and sharing cat videos. It's a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive sales. And that's where you come in, the social media consultant. Businesses are desperate for your expertise in navigating the ever-changing landscape of social media marketing. The key to being a successful social media consultant is to stay ahead of the curve. You need to be on top of the latest trends, algorithm updates, and best practices. Become a student of the game, experiment with different platforms, analyze data, and constantly refine your strategies. But it's not just about the technical stuff, it's about understanding human behavior. What makes people tick? What motivates them to engage, share, and ultimately buy? By understanding the psychology behind social media, you can craft compelling content, build authentic connections, and deliver real results for your clients.
The traditional education system is being disrupted, and online learning is leading the charge. With the rise of online courses, webinars, and digital workshops, there's never been a better time to share your knowledge and expertise with the world. Whether you're a seasoned professional, a passionate hobbyist, or a subject matter expert, there's an audience eager to learn from you. Building an online education platform is all about creating high-quality, engaging content that provides real value to your students. Don't be afraid to get creative. Incorporate videos, interactive exercises, downloadable resources, and community forums to enhance the learning experience. Remember, teaching is a two-way street. Encourage interaction, foster a sense of community, and be responsive to your students' needs. The more engaged your students are, the more successful your online education platform will be.
The gig economy is booming, and freelance digital services are in high demand. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, marketer, or virtual assistant, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you online. The best part? You get to be your own boss, set your own rates, and work from anywhere in the world. The key to freelance success is building a strong online presence. Create a professional website or portfolio that showcases your skills and experience, and network with different clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. Remember, freelancing is a marathon. Persistent and always strive to deliver high-quality work, build strong relationships with your clients, and you'll create a sustainable freelance business that provides you freedom and flexibility.
The health and wellness industry is undergoing a digital transformation, and online coaching is leading the way. People are increasingly turning to online coaches for guidance on fitness, nutrition, mindfulness, and overall well-being. If you have a passion for helping others live their healthiest lives, this could be your calling. Building a successful online coaching business is about more than just providing information. It's about building relationships, providing support, and empowering your clients to achieve their goals. Create personalized plans, offer regular check-ins, and leverage technology to track progress and provide accountability. Remember, you're not just a coach. You're a cheerleader, a confidant, and a guide. Be empathetic, be encouraging, and celebrate your clients' successes along the way.
Last but not least, let's talk about dropshipping, the e-commerce model that allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. With dropshipping, you partner with a supplier who handles all the storage, packaging, and shipping while you focus on marketing and customer service. The beauty of dropshipping is its low barrier to entry. You don't need a warehouse full of products or a team of employees to get started. All you need is a Shopify store, a reliable supplier, and the hustle to make it happen. But don't be fooled. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and a keen eye for product selection to succeed. Find a niche, build a brand, and provide exceptional customer service, and you'll be well on your way to building a profitable dropshipping empire.
There you have it, future entrepreneurs. 10 incredible online business ideas to ignite your passions and launch you into a future of success. But here's the thing, ideas are worthless without action. So what are you waiting for? Choose your path, make a plan, and start building. Remember, success isn't linear. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But embrace the journey, learn from your mistakes, and never ever give up on your dreams. The world is changing, and the opportunities are endless for those who are willing to put in the work. Start your journey to success today, and let's make 2024 your year.